How's it going, guys? This is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a transparent image using Paint 3D on a Windows 10 machine. Give me a like. Please comment if this video is useful for you. And let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously have whatever image you want to remove the background from. And so in my case, I'm going to use this Deadpool image, and I'm just going to right click on it and open with Paint 3D. Just edit with Paint 3D here. Alright, so it pulls up nice and big. What I'm going to do is up here on the top left hand corner, I'm going to click Magic Select, and then I'm going to leave this little selection here. So depending on how big your image is and how much you want to keep of the image, you'll adjust these little corners. Like, you bring it in. So say in the middle of the picture there's like one little thing you want narrowed down, you would just squeeze it into that one little thing a little bit outside of it. What this Magic Select is going to do is it's going to cut out everything behind it, basically. So I'll show you. So once you click Magic Select and you have your parameters, you'll click Next. Okay. So it cut out most of the picture. There's still some pieces here that we're missing. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add and just kind of draw a line in those pieces. Okay, grab that back, and then over here, draw a little line, grab that back. Right here, grab that back, and right here, grab that back. Perfect. Alright, so then I'm going to click Done. Alright, so now it has my image selected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it, copy, go up to File, New, don't save, and then up top I'm going to go to Canvas, and I'm going to put this little switch on for transparent canvas, and then I'm going to paste the image in here. So in the canvas you may have to adjust it a little bit bigger, so I'll go ahead and do that. I'll do 1600 by 900. Okay, so squeeze this down a little bit to make it all nice and pretty here. And then in the top left, after you're done, so you'll click out of it. In the top left, you go to Menu, Save As, Image. You'll name it to whatever you want. So you click Save, Test Image, Save. Nope, I already saved it. Look at that, it's transparent. So as you can see here, it's completely transparent except what I selected. So I saw a lot of videos out there where people, there's videos like this, but it doesn't exactly show the entire process, and there's a lot of frustrated people in the comments. So I decided to make this video for you guys. Please, please, please comment on this video if it was useful for you. Please like and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night.